Have you ever had just one client and wished that client could somehow become many more, like a ripple turning into a wave, like a single spark lighting up a whole sky full of stars? This is one of the most powerful things you can ever learn in business, in freelancing, or even in life. How to turn one small beginning into something big. You might be sitting alone with only one customer right now, feeling unsure, worried, or maybe even scared about the future. Maybe you're wondering if this is enough. Maybe you're thinking, how will I grow? Will people notice me? Will this ever become something big? The truth is, so many successful people started right where you are now, with just one opportunity, just one person who believed in them. And do you know what they did? They used that one client to open the door to everything else. That one client became a walking, talking advertisement. That one client became a story worth sharing. That one client became a doorway to something amazing. But how? That's what we are about to unlock today. Because there's a secret hidden in plain sight. A secret that very few people use. And that is, don't just serve your first client. Wow them, shock them, make them say, I've never had this experience before. When someone feels special, they talk. When someone feels valued, they remember you. So give them more than they asked for. Show up early, be kind, over-deliver, be someone they can trust. People don't just remember what you do, they remember how you made them feel, and once your first client feels that, they will tell others. But here's another truth. Don't wait for them to talk. Ask them. Kindly ask for a testimonial. Kindly ask for a referral. Don't be afraid. People love to help someone who helped them. Tell them, if you know anyone who might need what I offer, I'd really appreciate it if you could send them my way. And say it with a smile, with humility, not pressure. Now let's build on that. Once you finish working with that one client, document the journey, share the story, post the before and after, tell the world, here's what I did, and here's how I helped someone win. People love real stories. People love to see results. But they also love to see someone who's learning and growing. Even if you're not perfect, share your journey. When others see that you are learning, they feel connected to you. They feel inspired, and that connection builds trust. Trust brings more clients. But wait, we're not done yet. Think about the little details. Did you send a thank you message? Did you follow up weeks later just to check in? These small things matter. They make you unforgettable. Most people do the job and leave. You want to be different. You want to be remembered. So follow up. Stay in touch, and keep adding value, even when you're not getting paid. When you give first, the world gives back. Now, here's something powerful. Every time you work with a client, create a little system, a checklist, a method. This will help you improve every time. And when you improve, your clients will notice, they'll feel it, and your confidence will grow. That one client is more than just income. It's practice, it's proof, it's preparation. You are building a foundation. You are sharpening your skills. You are turning one step into many. Now think of this. What if every client you worked with brought you one more client? That means with just one client, you can start a chain reaction. One turns into two, two turn into four. 4 turn into 10. It's not magic, it's momentum, and momentum is your best friend. Don't stop, don't slow down, keep going, keep building, and always remember to ask yourself, what can I do better next time? Improvement is the secret ingredient. Your growth comes from feedback, from small adjustments, from honest reflection, and yes, sometimes it's slow. Sometimes you'll feel stuck, but don't let that fool you. Progress is happening, even when it's invisible. You are planting seeds. You are creating value, and value always finds its way back to you. Just imagine one day looking back and realizing that your entire business, your entire journey, started with just one person who gave you a chance, and you made it count. That's the beauty of the beginning. That's the power of one. So if you have just one client right now, celebrate, cherish it, and give them the best experience of their life, because they are the start of something great. And even if you don't have a client yet, get ready, be prepared, build your skills, create your portfolio, and the moment you get that first opportunity, treat it like gold. The world opens up to those who are ready. Don't chase clients, attract them, and you attract them by being real, by being helpful, by showing results, and by caring more than the next person. That's how you grow. That's how you rise. That's how you turn one client into many. Remember, it's not about having many people at first. It's about making one person feel like they're the only one. And when you do that, they bring more. They share your name. They become your voice in places you've never even been. So give your best. Stay patient. Keep showing up. Keep learning. And never stop believing that your efforts matter. Because they do. Every message, every task, every follow-up, it all adds up. This is how greatness is built. Not overnight, but day by day, client by client, smile by smile. And here is your life lesson. Sometimes the biggest doors are opened by the smallest keys, and the strongest businesses are built, one person at a time. Your moral is this: don't underestimate the power of one client, one action, one moment. That's all it takes to begin. So don't wait for something big. Make the small things matter, and the big things will come. Now, if this message made you feel inspired, if you believe in growth, in effort, in turning little into a lot, then join our journey here on How to Grow. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your story in the comments, because your voice matters. Your journey is important, and together we're not just growing a channel, we're growing lives. Let's grow together.